Welcome to Calculus 3 at St. Louis Community College. This is an online section being offered through the Forest Park campus. My name is Mike Lukey, and I'm the instructor of the course this semester. There's a lot to do, and there's no time to lose. So let's talk about how you can get started. First, log into Blackboard and click on the menu on the left side of the screen. Read through the documents and materials that you find there, particularly the syllabus. The syllabus has a lot of information in it, but it's very important that you read it carefully because it contains important details about policies and components of the course. Basically, throughout this semester, I'm going to ask you to complete 4 main kinds of tasks: assignments, activities, weekly discussion forums, and exams. The first task, assignments, will be one that I ask you to complete once or twice every week, based on new topics that you're studying. Every couple of weeks there'll be a new activity available, which deepens and expands upon the topics that you're working on in the assignments. The activities and the assignments and the weekly discussion forums, which I'll talk about in a minute, are crucial components of your preparation for the exams, of which there will be 4 this semester, about once per month. Those exams are paper and pencil based, and will occur at the Forest Park campus on the dates and times given in the syllabus. Taking the exam with me at the Forest Park campus allows you to ask questions and get help as necessary, but if you need to make alternative arrangements, that's possible. Just read the syllabus for more details. Nearly everything you do for this course will be housed in one internet site called MyOpenMath. MyOpenMath contains all the course materials like the textbook, video lessons, and required tasks like assignments and activities. It's pretty easy to use, and the best part of all is that it's free. Your only required cost for this course is your tuition. Everything else is available for free online. Those of you who have taken calculus here at the Forest Park campus in recent years have probably used MyOpenMath before, but if not, there are videos in Blackboard to help you get started. Once you have logged into MyOpenMath, you should introduce yourself in the first weekly discussion forum. Next, take a look at the review unit, which is Unit 1. It has some resources to help you refresh your memory about important topics from Calculus 2, which will be valuable in this class. Don't worry, that material will still be available when you need it, which won't be for at least a couple of weeks. Then, get started in Unit 2, where you can complete Assignment 1, which checks your understanding of working in the online environment and some basic MyOpenMath skills. Getting off to a good start in an online math class is really important because keeping up with the pace of the class is probably just as difficult as the math itself. Most of the time, if you can finish the required tasks without getting behind the schedule that I suggest in the syllabus, your chances of success are very high. So what does it take to stay on track with that schedule? Consistency is the key. I'm recommending to all of you that you commit to working 5 or 6 days a week on math. It's unlikely you'll be able to finish the course successfully working less than that. The biggest mistake students can make in a class like this one is underestimating how much time and energy online math classes require. This is a 5-credit course, and if you're enrolled in a face-to-face session over 16 weeks, your instructor would probably recommend that you commit about 5 hours a week to being in class, and at least that many hours a week outside of class for doing homework and studying. Since online math classes usually require more time than this, I'm estimating that most of you should expect to spend 10 to 15 hours every week on math in order to be successful. That breaks down to working about 2 or 3 hours every day, 5 or 6 days a week, which is what I recommend in the syllabus. Although not everyone needs this amount of time, often students need more time than this in order to be successful. Think carefully about the amount of time and energy you'll need to be successful in the course. If you're concerned about the level of commitment that it requires, now is the time to contact me about that. Send me an email, give me a call, or stop by my office. Speaking of stopping by my office, I want to say something about office hours. After the first few days, Blackboard will primarily be the place where you can meet with me for virtual office hours. Blackboard has a utility called Collaborate, which allows us to conduct a full-service video chat with a whiteboard, instant messaging, and everything we might need to talk about the math that you're having questions about. I'm also available on the Forest Park campus if you want to talk to me in person. My campus office hours are listed near the top of the syllabus document. Of course, if you cannot make it to campus, though, I'm happy to schedule appointments to meet with you in Blackboard. It's not easy to work through an online Calculus 3 course, but I think I've set up the materials and information that can support you along the way. My primary goal is to help you have opportunities to build a strong mathematical foundation for other math classes that you might need to take in the future and for applications that you might use in your future program. I'm looking forward to working with each of you, and I hope you have many positive learning opportunities in the course. Good luck!